Hello, this is Nonna Maria, and today I'm bringing another Sicilian recipe. It's called Gratto. It's a sort of your shepherd's pie. Not really. Usually we make, like with the inside that we make the rice balls in it. But today I decided to make it vegetarian. Vegetarian because I got different vegetables, as you can see over here. I just adding a little honey ham, but if you're a full vegetarian, you can omit it. I got, of course, peas, carrots, onions, and little cherry tomatoes. Add for sauteed zucchini with carrots and onion. Little eggplant. My honey ham. Of course, it's going to be Parmigiano Reggiano. Saute mushrooms and garlic and butter. Spinach. And breadcrumbs for the top. Oh, and I'm going to put a little mozzarella. Parmigiano Reggiano is here. I hope I didn't get confused. Now we mix it a little. These are sweet baby potatoes. I can't remember the name how you call it. They are so good, they like butter. And over here I put some black pepper, some little garlic shredded, and I'm supposed to put butter, but I don't. Then it comes too mushy when it's in the oven. Okay. Of course, I don't know if I show you, I mash it the old-fashioned way. This is the way in Italy my mom used to strain the tomato to make a tomato sauce after she boiled, the real way to make tomato sauce. Okay? All right, now, can you see? Okay, let me put it here. I push a little layer. There is breadcrumbs on the bottom. Little olive oil and breadcrumbs. Some people, they make it thick.